How to open a WhatsApp business account. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can open a WhatsApp business account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you quick through this video. In order to open a WhatsApp business account, you want to first go ahead and download the WhatsApp business app. Simply download it and open it up on your device. Now here, once you tap on agree and continue, you can see it'll give you two different options. If you already have one account logged in, any personal account for WhatsApp logged in on your device, it'll ask you whether you want to use that number. Your chat history and media will automatically be moved to WhatsApp Business. So if you want to switch your personal account to business account without losing your details, then this is the way to do it by tapping on use. However, if you want to use a new account, you want to use a different number, tap on use a different number, and now here, since I've already logged in once here with different number, you can either choose the number if it gives up the list, or tap on enter different number and tap on continue. Enter in your phone number, tap on next. Then it will send a verification code. Once the verification is completed, it'll ask you to choose certain details, that is your business name that you'd like to keep, and then your business category, and certain all the details, the profile picture and such, the normal basic things. So you'll have to go through these prompts and your account will be created. So this is how you can open a WhatsApp business account. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.